Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. This is Chef Bor again. Ito nga pala ang aming ulam, adobong balon-balonan tsaka atay ng manok. Ayan, yan. Yan, ang sarap niyan. Yan, tapos may magi, may garlic rice. Di ba guys? Thank you guys for watching us. Sana pakishare nyo na rin. At maraming salamat. Laging tatandaan. Okay, manlalamang ng kapwa. At laging J Snakes by Jobert Roque. Si paring Joel may agency. Maring Gemma may tindahan sa taas na simbahan. Yung Kanye Serye, Monkings, lagi nyo silang kakainan. At yung kay Joseph Biglang Awa, yung kanyang paggawa ng basketball jersey. Sana tulungan din natin sila. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys for watching me every day.